Hello, my name is Rocco Venditto. I'm the regional sales engineer for the Mid-Atlantic region, and this is our new TAC 2 torque wrench. TAC 2 with a charging base, rechargeable battery, no more battery changes. This will pair with our controllers. You can gang up to 8 charging docks off one power supply. You can provide power through an outlet in the wall, or you can power it off the controller, your choice. So they function the same as they do in the normal legacy TAC. We're going to use this application here, and we're going to use the tool. And we get a good result on the controller. Our new TAC 2.